The city of palaces and forts, interspersed with historical monuments and gardens that testify the grandeur of the Rajput kings, Jaipur is the gateway to the royal heritage of India. Also called Pink City, the capital of Rajasthan, remains suspended in time, with its heritage preserved in the overwhelming Hawa Mahal that gazes down at the bustling streets of Johari Bazaar. Explore Jaipur city and its best places to visit. 1. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur's most iconic building, the Pink Hawa Mahal, stands royally in the bustling Johari Bazaar. With a fine honeycomb of latticed windows, the five-storied monument lives to its name, which means the Palace of Wind. Built in 1799 by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh. 2. Nahargarh Fort. Built as a fortress and a stronghold to ward off enemy invasions, the impressive Nahargarh Fort marks the northern end of Jaipur. Sitting on a ridge in the Aravalli range, the fort was constructed in 1734 and expanded in 1868. Offering fantastic views of the city, the fort looks astounding at night, bathed in bright lights. 3. Amber Fort. Just 11 kilometers outside Jaipur lies the magnificent Amber Fort, sitting atop a hill and rising like a sentinel guarding the city. Commissioned in 1592 by Maharaja Man Singh, the fort is a fine blend of Rajput and Mughal architectural styles, and boasts a grand palace, temples, and several ornate gates. Built entirely of red sandstone with white marble work, the UNESCO World Heritage Site is a picture of opulence and grandeur, set against a stark desert backdrop and rolling hills. 4. Jal Mahal. One of the most ethereal sights in Jaipur is the architectural marvel of Jal Mahal, which is standing right at the center of the Man Sagar Lake. The palace is a 5-storied building and about 4 stories stay immersed when the lake is full. At night, bathed in dreamy lights, the palace seems as if it's floating in the lake's water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.